guys, welcome to another brand new video. In today's video, we had this 1/32 scale model of Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR with us. The model and its color is really awesome and the interiors are also well detailed. In today's video, we also had the 1/32 scale model of Mercedes-Benz AMG G63 or the G-Wagon. If you haven't watched our video, go ahead and watch it by clicking on the banner on the top right hand corner of the screen. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such awesome videos. You can follow us on Instagram at Diecast Automobiles. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.